my name is Dr. Mitchell Friedman, owner of Newman Springs Dental Care here in Lincroft, Middletown Township, New Jersey. Common question asked is, can I complete new patient registration forms before my first appointment? The answer is absolutely yes. Just tell us when you make your appointment which of these convenient ways works best for you. We can mail paper forms to you, fax them, or you can download them for our website as well as a link to our website to fill them out electronically. All these options allow you to complete the registration materials in the comfort of your home at your own pace. Of course, if you prefer to complete them in the office, you can do so on paper, an iPad, or netbook. If you'd like to make an appointment and meet me and discuss your dental concerns, our office number is 732-945-4600, or you can check us out at our website at newmanspringsdentalcare.com.